Bubul's big day. Bubul woke up with a wiggle and a giggle. Today was the big day, his first day of school. He bounced out of bed, his pajamas all askew. His parents, Dhruba and Rita, had his brand new uniform and a shiny red school bag ready. "Time to get dressed, Bubul," said his mother, but Bubul had other ideas. He tried to hide behind the curtains, giggling. His father, Dhruba, found him and knelt down. "Don't you want to wear your new shoes?" he asked, wiggling a little shoe. Bubul's eyes lit up. He loved new shoes. Hand in hand with his father, Bubul walked down the street. The town was waking up. They passed a tea stall where an uncle was pouring hot chai and a rickshaw with a bell that went ding ding. Soon they saw it, the big, tall school gate. It looked like a giant's mouth, ready to swallow him whole. Bubul's tummy did a little flip-flop. His mother, Rita, gave his hand a gentle squeeze. "You'll have so much fun," she whispered. Just then, he heard a familiar voice. Bubul, it was Jontu, his best friend from the neighborhood. And right behind him was Mina, who lived just 2 houses down. They were both wearing new uniforms too. Jontu and Mina ran over. "I was so scared," said Mina. "Me too," said Bubul. But seeing each other made the big school gate feel a little less scary. They held hands, a little chain of 3. Together, they walked through the gate. Their parents waved goodbye from the other side, their faces full of pride. Bubul didn't even look back. He was too busy looking forward. Inside, the school was full of colors. There were pictures of animals on the walls and a big shiny globe in the corner. Bubul and his friends found their classroom and looked at all the new toys. A kind-faced teacher with a warm smile came to greet them. "Hello, everyone," she said. "My name is Miss Hema. Welcome to your first day." Bubul looked at Jontu and Mina. This was going to be the best day ever.